Hey all, welcome back. In garage today, typical British weather. Obviously it's gloomy and doomy and probably raining again. But yeah, today we've got some EP3 work on the Civic. A friend of mine's having a few issues with a car. They have got a few things mod wise that they want me doing, but this today is going to be the video, as probably you see by the title, to sort out the Vtec. What I personally think from doing a bit of research, because I don't know EP3s all that well, I know how they work, basic, but I believe there is a filter down the back. I'll probably not be able to show you too brilliantly. There is the oil kind of solenoid that controls the flow back and forth for the cam lock system that they use, and there's a filter on it, and obviously from bad servicing in its history and stuff like that, it can get gunked up and crapped up, and obviously that can stop obviously your Vtec kicking in completely, or it kicking in slowly, and also when you come off Vtec and then come to a stop or park it up and everything else, and you've been in Vtec that kind of outing, you'll find that you get a bit of like a kind of bit of a cam slap from the Vtec still being sort of engaged but not, and obviously it flaps the because on each cylinder there's like three little independent, but obviously when they're locked in place from the Vtec, that gives it the more aggressive profile on the cam. Well, they kind of get locked together a little if they don't let the oil kind of control back through, flow back through. So obviously it's probably gunked up or crapped up in there. So I'm going to take a check of that first and see if that one's okay. There is one for the VTC, which is that bit just behind there. I don't know if you can see, but basically just that little 10mm bolt there, that panel there holds the filter for the oil flow solenoid that sits positioned there. I should be able to get to it without taking the engine mount off. I'll probably just have to take the tensioner pulley, yeah, and this pulley off. I would imagine I should be able to get to it, but it's due for a service. So I thought before I do the service and put fresh oil in, I'll try and clean out any gunk that's in there, and hopefully that should fix the problem. They're not getting any codes or anything like that, so it's not like a major issue. It's just that from cold start there's a bit of a cam slap sound from it not disengaging the Vtec properly after it's kind of sat and stopped. Without further ado, we'll get on it and we'll hopefully fix the problem. So. As you can see, it's not that bad. It's not manked all that much. There is a bit of debris in it, but not to the extent that it would probably cause the issue. Right, as you can see, can't really get the angle, but gave it a clean out with some brake cleaner. It's looking a lot better than what it was. I'll give it a bit of a wipe down and we'll put her back in. So guys, I've been at it a bit. I've got it back on now, tightened it all back up and everything, so it should be alright. It's getting a bit late now. I'm getting a bit hungry, so I'm just going to end the video here, and then my next video will start from where I left off. Hope you liked the video, hope it's been informational, and I'll catch you in the next one. With